So, linear, nonlinear equations, here's equation number 1. In the last question, we just basically done all the notes behind it. Here is your exam paper solution. So, starting off, we identify the linear equation in the question, and we get x on its own or y on its own. So, in this case, it was much easier to get y on its own. Take away 2x on this side, and you're left with y. Take away 2x on this side, you're left with 5 minus 2x. Step number 2, you have your non-linear equation. Of course, we've got what y is here now, so we're going to sub this fella in instead of y. Direct replacement. Beautiful, easy peasy. Step number 3, remove the brackets. Removing the brackets, you square the first. 5 squared is 25. Minus 2 to square the last. Minus 2x to be squared, minus plus 2 by 2 is 4. X by x squared. Then you say the trickiest bit to get this minus 20x. 2 times the first, 2 times 5 is 10, times the last, times minus 2x is minus 20x, and you have equals 25. Moving on, tidying this up a bit. X squared plus 4x squared is 5x squared, minus 20x, and you have a 25 on the right hand side here. We're going to get rid of it. Take away 25, you're left with 0. Take away 25, and you get 0 on the left hand side, so you're left with that. Then we're going to see if there's a highest common factor between the two of them. 5 divides into 5, 5 divides into 20, so you're going to be left with x squared minus 4x equals 0. Then you're going to factorize, get the highest common factor in this case. Always check for highest common factor first. Put out your x. X squared divided by x is x, minus 4x divided by x is minus 4. You have two things multiplying together and you get an answer of 0. That means x multiplied by x minus 4 gives you an answer of 0. Well, at least one of them must be 0. Both of them could be 0. But that means that is 0, or 4 minus 4 gives you 0, so x must be 4 here. So this must be 0 here, x is 0. And then what we do is we go and sub this back into the original equation. I always pick this one here, I have it nice and ready. Y is ready there if I know what x is. So if my input is 0, I get an output 5. If my input is 4, I get an output minus 3. Writing my coordinate pairings, 0, 5, and 4 minus 3, and that is the answer to that question in 2 minutes 30 seconds.